To pay for the HTML5 program, online virtual trading coming soon, just look at the steps you will take. This is jetbreed.com. So jetbreed.com, you click on the view all code academic courses. Of course, you can follow here too. You can see code academy here. Of course, you can follow there. You can also follow from here. Okay, follow from here, or you can just scroll down and view the course. This is the HTML5. Just on the very home page, click on this, and then you could see the course is going for 2495. Okay, it's actually a free course, but you can still do this. All right, let's see the program details. All right, so that is it. So just look for any button thereabout, apply now, or apply now here. So there are buttons for apply now. Okay, so you click on that. Okay, so it takes you to pay with card, or pay with your bank, or pay with transfer. Let's pay with card. Okay, so you will have to fill your information here. So after you have filled your information and put your ATM card PIN, you authenticate. So it's authenticating now. All right, it will bring you up here. So you can either use a hardware token or software token. Okay, so let me just use a hardware token. All right, so this is it. You have to fill the information and then submit. So that is it. I'll submit. So when you click submit, you wait a little bit. For it to resolve. So that's payment successful. Of course, it takes you to, you have to be able to check your payment history, and or go back to the programs and register for another program, apply for another program. So always check your payment history. Obviously, yes, the money has deducted. That's why you see this a lot. So that's it. And then go to your payment history. So you check it out. So this is your transaction ID. This is what you paid for right now. HTML intensive training at the cost of what's the cost? 2495. Okay, 2495. Look at that here. 2495. That's what you paid for. So this is exactly how you are going to make your payments. All the payments you're making will be coming up here. Okay, so anytime you also want to check your transaction payment history, always come to this place. Okay, furthermore, you will get your payment receipt. Here it is. So you will get your payment receipt with the same very reference right there. Okay, so this reference is also mapped into your payment history page or dashboard on your very dashboard area on the very JetBreed website that you have an account with. And obviously go to your profile from here. Okay, and make sure that you have your information completely filled up. Fill up your full name. Okay, fill up your full name. After registration, you have to do all of this. Fill up your full name, fill up your age, whatever age that is, fill it up there. Okay, these are optional. Okay, so this is it. So this information, you don't have to stress yourself, just click here. Okay, it populates here as well. So that's it. So you update, always update, get your information well updated. Okay, so that's updated. That's beautiful. So you can see that you are well updated now. Okay, so your application has to be well updated with your phone number so that we can always connect with you. So look at the phone number here. All right, this is the phone number around here. So get these things. You always have to get your information up to date so that we'll always get to you at any point in time. All right, God bless you, and see you on the other side of the training.